Trestro Beach in Perros-Guirec on the northern coast of Bretagne offers its guests ideal conditions for vacation. The wide sandy beach line attracts with its clean sand, sky blue water, developed infrastructure, and strong waves and winds, making Trestro a favorite destination for surfing enthusiasts. Tresto is located near the city center along Joseph Lee Bihan, which is home to many restaurants and shops of all price categories. Like most beaches on the north coast of France, Tresto is wide with a gentle entrance to the water, gradually gaining depth. The beach is well equipped. There are showers at both ends of the beach, a water sports center, and a surfing school on the east side. Rescuers are on duty here in the summer. In the vicinity of the beach, you can find accommodation and a place for dining, supermarkets, and theaters. Resto is easy to get to the place by car. It is possible to relax in France at any time of the year. The time of the trip depends more on your preferences. Summer is a great time to travel to the sea. Thanks to the Mediterranean climate, even on the southern French Riviera is not hot weather. In winter, people go to ski resorts in France.
C'est une sensation incroyable. Quand tu tombes là.
T'as le mec qui a fait son looping tout à l'heure.